Hey everybody, it's Toby Kilgore with Accurate Inspections. I want to show you a quick video about combustion closets. What are they? What's important? How can you be safe and make sure that you don't harm yourself by ignoring what's going on in here, which most of us, we don't really pay attention to what's going on. But we're doing a home inspection today. So a combustion closet is a closet in the house where you have a gas furnace for heater or a water heater like this one. So you can see this closet, there's the water heater here. Got the flue pipe, which is where the exhaust gases go through the roof and up through the ceiling above, vent through above the roof. Can't talk today, sorry. Then we have this long galvanized pipe, goes down here. This is for the combustion air so that the water heater has plenty of air to breathe or to ignite. So this pipe, the low vent pipe, it goes into the attic. So it pulls attic air into this closet, again, so that this, the fire can combust properly, the gas fire down there. Up here, there's a vent where there should be another pipe like this one. There should be a shorter pipe that's around this area, should be above where the combustion takes place, or where this vent is. And that's called a high vent pipe. So there's a low vent pipe right here, and then there should be a high vent pipe. I mean, there is a vent there, so it's not that big of a deal, but technically it should be a pipe. Main issue that I have here, there's several problems, about 5 deficiencies with this water heater in the closet, but the flue pipe is off center and it's loose. So that's no bueno. We want that to be where it should be so that all that exhaust gases go outside and not inside the home. So that's a problem. Then we see this door here, and there's some, louvers on there, vents. You'd think that'd be good. So, like I was talking about earlier, we've got this vent pipe here, but the combustion closets should be sealed off and they should be separate from the rest of the house so that the combustion air remains separate from the occupant air. You don't want the two mixing. That could cause carbon monoxide back up inside the house, which can be deadly. So, should be a weather strip on the floor down there, just like an outside door. This door doesn't even, touch the floor. So it's several inches off. So the closet itself needs to be sealed. All of the plumbing penetrations, little pipes through the ceiling and the holes in the walls, they need to be sealed. The vent pipe should be, installed. So that's the main issue with the gas issue. That can cause people to die. It can get you sick too, but we don't want to have people dying on us. So that needs to be fixed. Again, the weather can change, or not again, but, a lot of things people don't understand about this, but if there's a low pressure system that comes over the house and there are a lot of people taking baths and showers and this thing's really putting out a lot of carbon monoxide, there's a chance that the pressure outside the house, if this isn't vented properly, if this whole closet isn't set up properly, there's a chance the weather could help back up carbon dioxide in the home. So that's one of the things. There are a lot of other problems that can happen when this isn't installed correctly. But another issue we see here, this is the T&P valve. I've done a video on this before. Is something that I see a bunch. That little yellow label there, one of the sides is for the homeowner. It tells you what it's there for. It tells you that you should operate this valve a couple times a year. The other side is for the installer. You'd think a plumber that has a license should know what's going on, but sometimes they don't. On this, it tells you that there shouldn't be more than 4 elbows. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the back, 6 in the bottom. There's probably 2 or 3 more that I can't see on the wall, and then there's 1 outside. So I know there's 7 elbows here, which is almost twice more than what's allowed, by the manufacturer of the valve. So this valve is here so that if the water heater ever overheats, if it malfunctions and it just keeps heating and heating, there's going to be a lot of steam and pressure. And with this pipe like this, all that pressure is just going to, blow off this valve. And worst case scenario, it could, blow the whole water heater up and cause damage to the house and anybody that's standing around it. So, 9 times out of 10, or, I don't know what the statistics are, but most of the time these things never work. And that's why we never think about them. But the whole purpose of them being there, it's a safety device. So the rare chance that this thing ever, does overheat, we want it to be installed correctly so that it doesn't blow up and hurt anybody. So that's another issue. The pipe, the fix really just needs to go straight down to the pan. It needs to have a 2-inch air gap, and it shouldn't be higher than 6 inches, so it won't scald anybody if it goes off. But so that's another problem. Another issue I saw while I've been looking at this thing is it's leaking from the valve here. You know, it's about 14, 15 years old. So it may be best just to replace the thing since it's got so many problems. I don't make that recommendation. I'll leave it to my customer and their professional real estate agent. But, you know, there's so many issues that I don't understand why anybody would want to keep dealing with this. So, you know, these are some issues that you should look for with a combustion closet. You want to make sure that everything's sealed in here, that the air inside this closet is going to remain separate from the air inside the home itself. You know, the TNP pipe should be plumbed correctly. Vent pipe there should, you know, be plumbed correctly as well. So anyways, give us a call. I hope this video helps. Love to help you out. 850-776-9686, or call us or check out our website anytime at www.myaccurateinspection.com. Thanks for watching.